That's huge.
You know, I was nervous, but I was
And boyfriend, that's okay.
I was nervous.
At this point in time, the field is ready for the turf. They're essentially waiting for I guess, natural compaction. Then they'll come back. They're going to put asphalt on the track over the next couple weeks. Then once the track is done, it has to cure. And then from that point of time, they can do the interior of the field while the asphalt's curing. So then the last step will be your surface for your track material.
Watering the asphalt.
Our biggest issue, and we've known about this, is Christmas. They got to have this baby enclosed by Christmas time. Okay? So, some sprayed on insulation going on the side.
Ready?
Yep.
Yep, exciting times here. It looks like the exterior walls are almost all up, so we kind of get an idea of the grandiose size of our new super school here in the town of Fort Erie. Which will meet all the needs of our kids now and in the future with our 4 pillars of academics, athletics, the arts, and technology. It's exciting times.
Okay. Okay. This is the center corridor.
Gymnasium in the center corridor here. Cosmetology area here, right next to the golf course, Kidneyland. Right across from the Center for the Arts. The showcase.
Girders here are for the roofing, so that'll go on top of the theater, the cafeteria, the kitchen, the pomegranate, the library, office area, etc.
Go.
Okay, so this is the back of the school where all the parking is, and the students will be dropped off here every morning and picked up every morning with the busing. And coming through the atrium entrance here at the back, right on your left is a cosmetology room. The thinking behind that is for our seniors from the senior schools that come in and get their nails done and their hair done. They don't have to go upstairs or take the elevator to the far reaches of the school. They just walk right in, easy access off the back of the school, and they can have a pedicure, manicure, and then off to their day in the sunshine. Go. Okay, so this here is the workout room with all of our equipment for students to do treadmills, cardio, weights. And then if you go past that will be the change rooms for the students, and the change rooms go right into the gym once they change and ready to go. To the left there's the room for the caretakers, but then following along that are tech classes, and also some change rooms. At the end of the hallway to the left is the academic room. Okay, so yeah, this is the exterior entrance with the big roll-up doors into the tech classes. This one here actually will be the shipping seating for caretakers. Going down, we've got our construction, design, we have welding, manufacturing, and automotive.
Tech wing. Go.
So for our automotive program, we have a partnership with Birdie Tire. Birdie Tire is going to be generously donating $104,000 four-post hoist and a laser wheel alignment system. And from what I've been told, there's only 2 shops in all of Niagara that have this equipment, and we would be the only school in all of Ontario to have it for our automotive program. So a big thank you and call out to Birdie Tire in Stevensville.
Yeah, there.
Yeah, so down the road, if the attendance grows to a spot where we need to have addition, we have ample tech programs, but perpendicular to this academic wing in the plans of the design for the building, they would have another wing added on right to this section here, and that could accommodate up to 400 students.
Side entrance from Green Acre side.
Yeah. And which would be easily viewed from the roadway from Garrison Road.
Front of school, Garrison Road. Right across from the lead.
Okay, front and center of our school at Greater Fort Erie Secondary School is our SSTC Secondary School to Community program, previously known as the Special Needs program. We have 2 rooms here, and in the middle we have sensory rooms. On the sides we're going to have kitchen facilities. Across the hall are bathrooms. There's also a bathroom that's shared between these 2 rooms as well. And the best part about the location of this room is it's a focal point. It's front and center for these 2 classrooms for our SSTC kids who contribute so much to our community, but also to our school. Horticulture, the tech classes, culinary. So it's a great location, very excited, and the best part is it's right beside my office, so I can be nice and close and come for visits many times. When you walk in, the whole entranceway is marble. Yeah, so here's our entrance from the front, an atrium from the front all the way to the back. As you walk into your left, we have the learning commons. There's a hallway down there, so on the other side of the hallway, kitchen, pomegranate restaurant, cafeteria, and then the Center for the Arts at the end. And off to the right here, you can walk in and there'd be the office area. Past that would be our tuck shop, guidance and student services area, phys ed, and then the cosmetology room at the very end of the atrium.